Hi everyone, welcome to our Pusheen Addiction channel. Today we're doing something exciting. We're unboxing this mystery box and reviewing what's inside. So if you want to see what's inside, let's keep watching. Just open this real quick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ta-da! Look who's here. The Dragon Sheen. Isn't she so cute? Oh my god. She looks a little angry though. Let's see. Oh my god. I've wanted her for so long. This one is an interactive Pusheen. This is so cool. Be gentle. So she's got two wings here. And she's got a big tail. I think if you squeeze it, it will actually move. Do I have to... I don't have to do anything. Let's give it a try. Let's see if it actually will work. Oh, it's not battery operated. There's like an air ball inside. So you squeeze it and the wings will move. Oh my gosh. So this is labor intensive. If you want it to keep moving, you have to keep squeezing. It's like one of those stress balls that you just keep squeezing. She's cute though. Look, it's green and purple color. But I was hoping that it would be battery operated because this one is not cheap. It's 35-ish on Pusheen.com plus shipping and everything. She's cute. She's our regular Pusheen size when she's, you know, lying on the side, so you can expect that size, but you know, with a tail and two wings. Okay, so if you do a size comparison with my regular Dragon Sheen, I think she's called Pushinosaurus officially, but same idea. If you do a size comparison, they're basically the same size, same length. It's got the fins here and the tail, so very similar. If you have this already and you're not a collector, I wouldn't recommend getting this one. But you know, if you want to collect all of them, you sure can. They're super cute. And this one has different color, so that's just something to know. This one is called Dragon Sheen Animated Plush on Pusheen.com, so that's why I was kind of misled a little bit. I was thinking that it was going to be animated, not, you know, labor intensive operating plush. So I was a little bit disappointed about that, but still it's super cute. On Amazon, it's actually called the Pusheen Dragon Sheen Plush Squeezer. So you know what you're getting into already. Once you see the title, you have to squeeze the Pusheen to get the wings to move. So that's the difference. If you buy it on Amazon, it's actually $27, a little bit cheaper. And they also have a Super Pusheenicorn animated plush on there. It's the same thing. It's called the Squeezer on there also for $27. So if you want something like this that you can squeeze to interact with the plush, but you don't want the Dragon Sheen, you can get the Pusheenicorn. So that one is super cute too. As far as the size-wise, I did say that these are the same, but this one is 10 inches long. I think this one is also 10 inches long. And they're both super soft, but I think this one is softer than the Pushinosaurus because it's the newer version. The newer versions are always softer for some reason. I think they use better material. So that's also something to know. And it's got the extra little horns on the top and the wings, of course. So yeah, something to know. And if you still want to give it a try, go ahead and go onto Amazon. It's actually cheaper and you get free shipping. So I'll link everything down below. Thanks for watching. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel for more Pusheen content. Ring the notification bell for future videos. We'll see you next time. Bye!